Our Domestic Electrician Package is aimed at all new entrants into the industry and is a combination of in-centre training and online learning. Whilst in the centre, you will spend a combination of time in the workshop and the classroom. We start with the basics of electricity in the classroom, moving into the workshop where you do a mostly practical week of installing circuits. We then move on to all aspects of inspection, testing and initial verification of new circuits and how to correctly complete the installation certificates. Lastly, we consolidate all of the knowledge and go into a two-storey mock house and teach you how to install circuits, as well as inspect and test them in a real-life environment. We also cover quoting for jobs, invoicing, marketing yourself, and putting those skills to use. All the in-centre training is supported by online supplementary courses that will help you consolidate everything you have learnt in the classroom and workshop. There are two further online courses, Part P of the Building Regulations and the 18th edition Wiring Regulations. These are theory-only courses that can be carried out in your own time and at your own pace. On successful completion of the course, you will be competent in installing circuits in domestic and similar installations. You will also have gained 3 industry-recognised City and Guilds qualifications. For more information, please refer to our course page or give us a call so we can answer any further questions you may have.